Assalamualaikum dear students. Hope you are healthy and hearty. Welcome to NIES Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin Khikha, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take I.C.T class for the students of class 6 on the topic of first assignment. I am repeating, today our topic is Assignment 1. That means our first assignment. Students, today I am going to discuss about your first assignment of I.C.T, that means Information and Communication Technology. So I am going to discuss and talk about the topic and will give some information how you will make your assignment. So let's begin. Look here, this is the clue how you have to write, that means the topic and criteria, teacher's name, and from which unit and lesson you have to write the assignment. So here I have given the information, unit and title of the lesson. From unit 1 and lesson 4, 5, 6, you have to give the information. So assignment task or assignment will be in this topic. Information technology is being widely used in every field of the present world. Bangladesh is no exception. Describe where information and communication technology can be used. Description should include introduction, fields of use, advantages of using technology, and there must be a conclusion. Here I am writing, there must be a conclusion. CONCLUSION. Here you will get all this information, assigned task or assignment. That means last one is conclusion. It means you have to give introduction, fields of use, advantages of using technology, and conclusion. Assignment criteria is ideas about content, provide accurate information and reasonable explanation. A combination of personal experience, proficiency in writing answers consistently according to the necessity of questions. And you have to provide the information of teacher. That means you have to write the teacher's names and mobile numbers. That I have given my name and phone number, and another teacher, Sonia Khanjoya, you have to write teacher's name and where is her phone number. So students, now I'm going to explain you elaborately. First, look, as I said, you have to give an introduction. So you have to write in a summary, that means in 3 or 4 lines, why you use internet or information and communication technology, how our country, that means Bangladesh, is developing like other countries using internet, information and communication technology. And at the end, you have to give a conclusion based on this topic. That means also a summary containing 3 or 4 lines. Now, I'm going to discuss about the topic. That means our topic is information technology is being widely used in every field of the present world. Bangladesh is no exception. So, information and communication technology is widely used in every country of the world. Bangladesh is also using information and communication technology. Now you have to describe where information and communication technology can be used. That means in where we can use all this information and communication technology. Students, for this take your I.C.T book, that means information and communication book, and you can go to page number 9. Lesson 4. Look, the clue is you have to write from unit 1, lesson 4, 5, 6. Lesson 4, 5, 6. So your answer must be from lesson 4, lesson 5 and lesson 6. These 3 lessons. So from lesson 4 you can write, go to page number 10, personal and social communication, recreation, and go to next page, lesson 5, in the field of education, in the field of medical treatment, in the field of science and research, in the field of agriculture, and in next page you'll get the point environment and weather, advertising and mass media, publication, banking service, and in next page you'll get business and culture, ICT in daily life. So from these points you have to write where you can or we can use information and communication technology. If we talk about in the fields where we can use information and communication technology, first we have to explain personal and social communication, how we can communicate with others, with our friends, with our family, with our relatives, with our friends or relatives who are staying abroad. Yes, through mobile phone nowadays we can easily connect with our friends, family members and others. And using social media, we are using Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp, email and other social medias. Through this we can send SMS, we can call, we can see, we can make video call, audio call, all this we can connect with others. Then if we talk with recreation, that means in free time, what can we do? We can hear, sing, we can listen singing, we can play games, and we can do many other things by using information and communication technology. But excessive use of this is not good for our health. But in this time, we can stay home and we can use all this. So in our recreation time, we can also use communication and information technology. Next point we can say for banking section. So for banking section we can use also information and communication technology. In previous time, that means in earlier time, we used to relate with one branch of a bank. But now information and communication technology make our life easy. We can use any branch of a bank and we can deposit our money, we can exchange our money through any branch of the bank. And nowadays we can take the advantages through mobile phone, through banking sectors, and we can use ATM card in automated teller machine. This is a popular system nowadays. And next we can talk about another topic, that means we can talk about in the field of education. So we know that if we want to apply for any school, college, university, or if we want to apply in a job, we can use information and communication technology. We can apply within one click. We can give all information through internet, and we can learn, we can read any kind of book, any kind of writers in any country through e-book, that means electronic book, and we can reserve all these books in a device also. So our education is also based on information and communication technology day by day. Then we can talk about the treatment system, and we can think about our healthcare or treatment system without information and communication technology. At the previous time, we used to take the appointment from the doctor's assistant by giving a huge line. But nowadays, it's not necessary. We can make a phone call and take the appointment of the doctor by using mobile phone, or we can say by using internet. So this is very easy way, and all the elements, all the machines used in treatment purpose is based on information and communication technology. Next we can talk about in the field of science and research. So most probably we are using internet, that means information and communication technology in this sector. Our experts, our researchers are giving their effort using information and communication in this side, and we are inventing so many things. Here you can mark a line. Scientists of our country also used I.C.T when they discovered the genome sequence of jute. So this is very easy or comfortable way to use information and communication technology in this way. So next we can talk about the agriculture. In this sector, we also are developing day by day and using information and communication technology. Our farmers are benefited. So they can get any information about their crops through using website, by watching programs on television, radio, and they can use their mobile for getting any information related to agriculture. Next, we can talk about environment and weather. In earlier time, many people used to die because of natural disasters. But nowadays, these are not happening like before. Because before any storm, any natural disasters, we get the notification through our mobile phone, through internet, to television, to radio. That means we are informed before these natural disasters. So that's why we can be alarmed, we can save us from this type of disasters. So it also, that means the information and communication technology also helps us to protect, to develop in this sector also. Next we can talk about advertising and mass media. So what is mass media? We can say television, radio, newspaper, online news. These are called mass media, and using this we can be connected with this world, and our world is getting smaller. Because in earlier time, if we want to know about a person, a king, another country, we have to wait a long. If a president, if a king died, we have to take month or year to know that yes, the person is died, is no more. But nowadays, with a minute, with a few minutes, we can know, we can inform that what is happening in the world. We can sit here and can gain the information from all around the world. So like this, this sector is also influenced by information and communication technology. Next, we can say about publication. Think that every year the government is publishing or giving a lot of books around it. It will be around 35 crores. So to publish all these books, we have to take a huge number of books and printing publication. So these are happening because of the advantages of information and communication technology. So our students and we are very much advantages by information and communication technology. Next, we can talk about business and culture. Today, our business and culture is totally depend on information and communication technology. Online business is nowadays a popular sector. There we can build our future, and so by this we can make animation pictures within short time and within a short cost. Earlier time it will be very costly, but now it is not so costly like before. Next, we can say our last point, I.C.T in daily life. So in I.C.T we find every sphere of our life. If we talk about our one day or every day, we find the step of information and communication technology. We are doing all the things related to information and communication technology. Think that we are staying at home. We can do official work by staying at home or anywhere else. We can take information. We can share our information through using information and communication technology. We can shop from electronic system, and this is very easy. We can save our time and money also by being advantages by information and communication technology. And these are the points where we can use information and communication technology. I hope you can able to write all these points. And one thing I want to inform, no need to copy all the lines from the textbook. Try to write by your own. You can change the lines, and you can take the help from Google, from other sources to make your assignment. But again, I'm repeating, no need to copy all the lines, all the points from your textbook. This is creativity. You have to write what you gain from reading the text. And at the end, that means writing all the points, you have to give a conclusion. Why we use information and communication technology and what we get from this, how we can benefit from this. And you know, as you have submitted assignment 1, that means first assignment of other subjects, you know how to submit your assignment. Students, if you use page, you have to write one side and other side will be blank. For your assignment, you can write only one side and other side will be blank. And first page will be cover page. Make your cover page by your own. That means if you write by your own, your handwriting will be nice and it will be extra opportunity for you. Please do hard work and make your cover page by your own. And after that, making cover page, you have to write the assigned task, about your assigned task, and after that you have to write the teacher's name with phone numbers. I'm repeating, after making the cover page, you have to write in another page about the assigned task or assignment, and in another page you have to write the teacher's name with phone number. And after that you can start writing your assignment with introduction, with fields of uses, with advantages of using technology, and at the end giving conclusion. So students, I hope you have understood what I said, what I want to explain, and I hope you will make your assignment with joy. And if you have any question, you can contact with me. Here my number is given. You can contact with me if you have any problem. I'll try my level best to solve your problem. That's all for today. Stay well. See you again. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.